Hi, this is Jamie from Alpin Ski Shop, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Blizzard Quattro 8.4 Titanium. The Quattro series in itself, this is the flagship model. This is the hot rod of the entire Quattro line. 8.4, it's got an 84 waist underneath your foot to give you the stability at both moderate to fast speeds down the mountain. It also integrates in the marker IQ binding system, which is going to really give you a nice rounded flex underfoot, allowing you to corner like you're in a sports car. The Blizzard Quattro 84 Titanium. Come ski it and see us at Alpin Haus in Amsterdam or of Clifton Park.